Hello guys, this is the part 2 of Music Player app where we will see how to take runtime permission in our app. Let's see how it looks. There is dialog which have two buttons, deny and allow. Let's click deny. Again dialog appeared, again appeared. Let's click on allow. Yes, you can see there is a list of songs because the user have granted the permission of storage to the app. Also, we will fetch all the songs in our app from media storage. Now I'm going to change dark action bar to no action bar, which will hide the action bar. Let's create a permission method in main activity. Alt enter, and we will check if the permission is granted or not. Context compat dot check self permission. I'm going to add first permission into the manifest Android manifest file. Write external storage, and now here check self permission will have two arguments, get application context and manifest.permission.write external storage. If it is not equal to package manager dot permission granted, it will request permission in this activity main activity dot this new string, where string is manifest.permission.write external storage, and we will pass an int request code. Now declare this public static final int request code 1 whatever integer, else we have permission toast permission granted whatever want you here. For example, we will fetch all the songs in that else block. Now on request permission result, if request code equals request code that we have declared above, if it is equal, then we will check if grant result 0 at index 0 equal to package manager dot permission granted, then we will do the work same what we have done above in the else block. If the user will deny the permission, then we will again pop up the same request permission with a dialog. Copy the above code and pasted activity compat dot request permission activity. Now check, yes, it is working. Deny, again it will pop up. Deny, again pop up. Allow, there is a toast permission granted. Now we will take all the audio files from phone storage to our app. To do this, we have to create first model class music files, which will contain some variables and getter setter methods, private string, path, title, and artist, and last one is album, and one more variable, private string duration. It will return the duration of the audio file. Generate constructor, select all, okay. Alt insert constructor, default constructor, and all the getter setter method. Okay, now we will create a method which will return array list of our model class, which is music files, array list public static array list music files, get all audio, and the argument will be context which we will pass when we will use this method, and array list music files, a temporary array list that we will use to return for this method. This array list will be used to return for this method. Now URI equals media store, the above one, and write dot provider wala dot audio dot media dot external content URI semicolon. Now declare array of string with name projection equals media store dot audio dot media dot album. This will be used to take the column index into cursor of these variables so that we can fetch the column index and use it in our array list. Album title, duration, data is for path, the artist, semicolon. Cursor equals context dot get content resolver dot query and pass argument as URI and projection and all the parameters as null. Now if the cursor is not equal to null, then we will use while loop cursor dot move to next. If it will true, it will loop string album equals cursor dot get string at column index 0. Make sure to take the column index from the projection at column index 0, the album at 1, title at 2, duration at 3, data, and at 4, artist. From above you can see. Now initialize the music files equals new music files and pass the argument that we have passed, and the order should be the same that we have already passed in music files class. The first one is path, second one is title, third is artist, fourth is album, and fifth is duration. Then temporary audio list dot add music files, and in the last, when everything will be done in the while loop, we will close the cursor and return this temp audio list. The work has been done. This is using because we will show the audio files path in logcat that we have fetched from the storage of phone. Log.e tag with path plus path, album plus album, the message, and we will use array list, declare an array list of music files, and music files equals in else part where we have permission music files equals get all audio and pass the context this, and in the on permission result music files equals get all audio pass the context this. Now we will see, is it working good in the logcat. Here you can see in the red color all the path and albums are showing. So we have got the audio files data. Now please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.